Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This came out of a 2010 Lincoln MKT. You don't need any tools, you just need your replacement battery. This takes a 2032, and you can get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you right there, and you can get what you need. Alright, so all you need to do is first remove the mechanical key. Press down on this little tab, pull out the mechanical key. Next, insert the mechanical key right in this upper little hole right there and just pop it up like that. Now, alright, so this is the cap here. There's a little rubber seal right here. Sometimes that comes out when you take the back off, but not this time. Okay, so this is just, it's kind of odd, just the way this is positioned, but in essence, you take out the old one and you put the new one in, kind of like that, and then push it down to make sure it connects with that little connector right there. It's very odd that it doesn't like stay in place until you put the back on. So there's two teeth here. Those go in there, and you just put that back down. Give it a good squeeze. Check the seams, make sure it went in correctly, and then put your key fob, put your actual key back in. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.